This is Ludwig Eckhart from Brückner. Brückner is a company which makes machinery for stretch films, I should say, based in Düsseldorf in southern Germany. And Ludwig, can you explain a bit more about your business?
Yes, we are a company, family-owned, existing since 50 years, and we are in the business of the biaxial stretching machines since the 50 years. We do only the engineering, no manufacturing. We engineer the machines, we pre-assemble them, we assemble them on site, and we start the lines and fulfill all the guarantees before we hand over the machine to our customer.
And who are the customers in general?
Who are the customers? These are, of course, the big film producers like in Europe, ExxonMobil, Tagliff Industries in the States, DuPont, and since more than 20 years, especially in China.
Yes. And I know the Chinese market's very important for you. In fact, even in your offices in Düsseldorf, you've got some big lions which came from China. And but how do you see China growing?
Yes, China is the fastest growing market in the world. Especially in China, we have already running now more than 200 big lines. And the last 2 years, especially last year when the whole world was complaining about the crisis, in China the boom started. We have sold a lot of lines last year and even more lines this year into China.
Yes. Oh, okay, very good. And this year has been a very successful year for you.
Yes, this year was very successful. Last year was also successful, I have to mention. What has changed from last year to this year? Last year we had a boom in BOPP machines, and this year it changed to BOPET, polyester machines, which is a very fast growing market. And China, I think we can predict the growing of the flexible packaging of at least 20 to 25% a year.
That's quite amazing, yes.
That is quite amazing if you compare with Europe, maybe with 3% or 4%.
Yeah.
But this is especially due to the urbanization in China.
Yes. Can I ask also about the Russian market, or even Central and Eastern European market? How do you see that?
For us, it's a very important market. We have quite some lines in Russia. We have a line in Poland. We just recently sold a line to Bulgaria. Russia, still today, I think the investors don't feel safe enough in order to go on, but flexible packaging is really growing, and we are in negotiation with several customers in Russia at the moment.
And how do you see prospects for the future in general?
Prospects in the future, we are in a cyclic business. Of course, maybe in short term, next year or the next 2 years, it will be a little bit more quiet. But generally, flexible packaging is growing, especially in China, in India, huge population, in Southeast Asia, South America, which is a good market for us, and of course also Eastern Europe. I see it very positive. Generally, it's a constant growing market.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you very much.